Good morning, students. Again, I am coming here with my new video of chapter acid, bases and salts. In my last video, we had discussed about indicators, natural and synthetic. So already one natural indicator is described by me in my last video, that is litmus paper. The next natural indicator we use, that is turmeric. It's a haldi powder, also be used as an indicator for identifying acids or bases. So how we can identify with the help of turmeric? Actually, turmeric is yellow in neutral solution. Clear? It means if we add the turmeric in neutral solution, it's provide yellow color, and it also provide yellow color in acidic solution also, and turmeric provide red color in basic solution. So this turmeric we can use to identify whether the solution is acidic or basic. The next natural indicator is China rose flower, and we can say China rose petals we can use for identify whether the solution is acid and base. China rose extract can also be used as an acid base indicator for identifying acids and bases. China rose indicator in water is neutral, and in neutral solution it provide pink color. China rose indicator is magenta, dark pink in acidic solution, and China rose indicator is green in color in basic solution. As you can see also in this test tube, color is given. In base its color is green, in acidic its color is dark pink, and in neutral solution in medium in between test tube the color is pink. Clear to all of you? So all these are natural indicator. Next indicator is synthetic acid base indicator. What is synthetic acid base indicators? Many laboratory made compound can also be used for identifying acids and bases, and the indicator which are prepared in laboratory are called synthetic acid base indicator, or simply we can say synthetic indicator. And the most commonly used synthetic indicator is phenolphthalein, and one is methyl orange. So how we can identify? By using this methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Methyl orange is a pH indicator frequently used in titration because of its clear and distinct color change, and because it changes color at the pH of a mid-strength acid. It is usually used in titration for acid. Unlike a universal indicator, methyl orange does not have a full spectrum of color change but has a sharper end point. In a solution becoming less acidic, methyl orange moves from red to orange and finally to yellow, and with the reverse occurring for a solution increasing in acidity. Clear to all of you? The next is the phenolphthalein, that is the acid base indicator, and which color is provided by the phenolphthalein? It is colorless in neutral medium, and it also colorless in acidic medium, and it provide color, pink color, in basic medium. Again I am repeating, phenolphthalein, it's a acid base indicator. It is colorless in neutral and acidic medium, and it provide pink color in basic medium. So these are the acid base, synthetic acid base indicators. What is the difference between acid and base? Already discussed. Now one time we revise all the points. Acid have sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. Acid give corrosive touch and bases give soapy touch. Acid turn blue litmus to red, but bases turn red litmus to blue. Acid turn China rose indicator to magenta and bases turn China rose indicator to green. Acid have no effect on the color of turmeric paper because acid provides the yellow color with turmeric. It means no effect, but the bases, they turn turmeric paper red. Acid turn methyl orange to red and the bases turn methyl orange to yellow. So these are the some basic difference between acids and base. I think indicators, acid base, all concept is clear to all the student. So the next time in our video we will discuss the next topic of our chapter, that is neutralization reaction. Hope so up to indicators this chapter is clear to all the students. Thank you student to listening me carefully.